Perennial thieves have struck again in St. Catherine. The victims this time around chicken farmers. As O'Shane Masters reports, the thieves stole millions of dollars worth of livestock and equipment on the weekend.
Livestock farmers in St. Catherine have been dealing with increased pressure from perennial larcenists since the ending of last year. At that time, there was an increase in the theft of goats. Now, chicken farmers are feeling the impacts. On Saturday, the hoodlums targeted 2 chicken farms in the Bernard Lodge area. Kamar Daly, who lost equipment, says it was not the first time his farm had been targeted. Mr. Daly suffered $5 million in losses during Saturday's incident.
Everything gone. All the whole of the solar them for run the fridge, the generator, 100 sheet of zinc pan the cooktop. Everything then take away. Then just left with stranded. We just devastated, bad. We just don't know where for. I just feel like we just give up. I don't know what to do.
Mr. Daly's neighbor, identified only as Dennis, lost more than 1,000 chickens along with other farm produce. He says the farmers have accepted that what they rear is shared with thieves who are rampant in the area. Both men say this is not the first time their businesses were broken into, but this is the worst it has been.
This time they come all out and shell it. Wicked. So I don't know, a discouragement come like we have to give up this, because you don't know we have a lot of overhead expense.
They are now calling for assistance from the government.
They have big help. So I beg the Minister of Agriculture at a Colonel Charles Jordan, just a big help. Just a beg Mr. Charles some help. Just a big help, because we don't know what we are going to do again, because we can't buy back zinc, can't buy back the chicken, something, can't buy the solar them back for put on the farm. Everything then just left with stranded.
Still in St. Catherine, Glennis Harvey says she was scammed out of $80,000 while selling chickens on Friday. She told TVJ News that the buyer was sent to her by a friend. Ms. Harvey says the alleged scammer wanted 300 pounds of chicken, but while the product was being weighed, the man allegedly stole over 250 pounds of the meat.
It will affect me bad, because I borrow money, I raise the chicken and pay back loan a month time.
Ms. Harvey says she's left in a quagmire as she doesn't have the funds needed to purchase feeding or repurchase chickens. O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.